Welcome to the troubleshooter demo. We've listened to our customers' need to debug issues within their data centers, and we're excited to show you how the troubleshooting wizard will simplify and empower your network operations. Let's get started. From the APIC dashboard, we click on the troubleshooter icon. We can either pull up a saved session or create a new one. The power of the ACI troubleshooter is that it allows you to troubleshoot between specific endpoints in your network. We can enter these endpoints either through their IP or physical addresses and then select them by tenant. By rolling back the time window, we can even debug events that happened in the past. From here, we can bundle up our debug info for use later or with an external tool. If we want to, we can even send it to a system integration partner or Cisco Advanced Services. We can also look at previously generated reports. For now, let's take a look at the issue ourselves. When diving into an issue with a large fabric, the complexity can be distracting. We built the ACI troubleshooter to present the most straightforward view possible. In debugging between endpoints, the troubleshooter will only show relevant parts of the network. We can see our source and destination endpoints, and by hovering over these, we have instant access to all their properties. The same holds true for all ports that are relevant to this connection. From this view, we can easily identify where faults are occurring in our network and click on them for more information. From the Statistics tab, we can view the counters that are built directly into ACI. The counters can be displayed for the requested time period on a per contract, bridge domain, and endpoint group context. Most importantly, however, we can look at the statistics on a per application basis. If a certain application is sluggish, we can immediately check if and where it is dropping packets. By default, only non-zero counters are shown, but of course, all counters are always available. By viewing recent changes, we can understand which user-driven actions during the desired time period are relevant to the endpoints under inspection. If services are enabled between our endpoints, those will also show up in the topology view. Knowing exactly which contracts are present between endpoints gives ACI an unprecedented view into ensuring security and also debugging connectivity issues. We can look at contracts from source to destination as well as destination to source. One of the sharpest arrows in the troubleshooter quiver is traceroute. This feature works by sending a probe packet of a given protocol on behalf of the source endpoint originating from the source leaf to the specified layer 4 port on the destination endpoint. As traceroute is fabric aware, it will explore all paths between the two endpoints rather than just one route. If a service graph is implemented between the two endpoints, traceroute will even probe through firewalls and load balancers. As this is bidirectional, we can easily test the reverse path as well. Network administrators know one of the trickiest situations in the network is intermittent packet loss. Through the specialized hardware implemented in the Nexus 9000, we can leverage atomic counters to get a precise count of the packets transferred between endpoints. We can use the built-in TCAMs to catch specified traffic per flow to debug protocol-specific issues. This interface gives us an exact packet count to ensure there are no packet drops in our network. We can take advantage of the span feature of the ACI troubleshooter to once again simplify our operations. Bidirectional span is designed to only capture encapsulations between the source and destination endpoints. This traffic can be redirected either to the APIC or an external IP address. From there, we can use a network analyzer to examine individual packets. The ACI advantage is in giving you total control over all aspects of your network, including the hardware that it runs on. Be sure to ask Cisco how these advantages will lower your operational expenses and increase your network performance.